for quite a while now. I'm hungry. What should I have? I know. Let's go make some pizza monkey bread. The tools and supplies you need are a mixing bowl, spoon, cutting board, knife, measuring cups, and measuring spoon. The ingredients you need are 2 cans of biscuits, 1 small bag of mozzarella cheese, 1 package of pepperoni, half a stick of butter, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 teaspoons Italian seasoning, 2 teaspoons chopped garlic, 1 jar of pizza sauce. Hey everybody, welcome back to Oliver Good Time, and I've been playing Minecraft for a while, so I'm hungry, and let's make a snack. Pizza monkey bread, or some people call it pull-apart bread. I've already washed my hands, and let's start by cutting up these canned biscuits into fourths. Thanks for watching.